Here's some stuff you need to know.
Well, today we're going to be reinforcing an arch that's settled. The customer had an engineer come out and take readings, so the foundation is fine. There's no issues with that, but the customer noticed this crack on the arch, which shows that the arch settled a little bit. The top portion of the brick wall shifted to the right. By doing that, it teetered this right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to be opening up the back of the arch and adding rebar and concrete to reinforce the arch, basically putting in a concrete spine. When we're done, we'll put the brick back in and it'll be like nothing happened. If the house were able to shift with that concrete spine going from column to column, it'll make sure that the arch doesn't come down. Right now, what they're doing is they're taking down the soldier course. They went ahead and cut the brick loose. That's what the process of us actually opening up the back of that arch. Right now what he's doing is he's cleaning the original brick. We pulled them out of there, making sure that we didn't break them. So he's taking the old mortar off of there. That way we'll be able to reuse those same bricks and it's not gonna stand out at all. Put the rebar in there. They attached it to the header. Now what he's doing, he's putting in the concrete. That way it'll go around the rebar and it's going to make a new form going in there to the inside. See, we finished the arch, we laid it back. The interior has that concrete spine with the rebar reinforcement. Now it's not going to go anywhere. We repaired all the cracks that were on the column, but as you can see, the mortar matches the existing mortar. That way everything just blends together and it doesn't look like it's been all repaired. It just looks like nothing ever happened.
Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.